finance. Mutuli Ncube, when he took over office,
yes,
he clearly reflected contradictions within the elite in ZANU-PF. That on the other hand, ZANU-PF still wanted to masquerade as a Marxist-Leninist guerrilla movement. But Mutuli Ncube says, I want to pursue a private sector-led economy.
yes.
So the first crisis we face is ideological. That sharp ideological contradictions and lack of clarity within government is reflected by one government's appointment to Mutuli Ncube in the office. Because Mutuli
So he's an ideological contradiction.
yes, he's an ideological contradiction himself.
Okay.
But more importantly, Mutuli Ncube is what I call history of, in fact, economics of repeating history.
Okay.
What is that? He wants to resurrect Gideon Kono. So what you are seeing Mutuli Ncube is the contradictions in the central bank, where Mutuli Ncube's agenda is to end up having money in Zimbabwe, a Zimbabwean dollar which is going to sign. That is his central strategic objective. So we are all victims or prisoners of Mutuli Ncube's agenda to have a Zimbabwean dollar, where John Iscariot Mangucha is going to be a signature. So what we see in the present day, Mutuli Ncube say we have a budget surplus of 9 billion.
Yeah.
And I greatly, with great respect, Brother Mlamba, I'm not an economics myself, I'm a political scientist. But I want to ask fundamental question. How does Mutuli Ncube say we have a budget surplus of 9 billion? He says for two reasons. One, fiscal consolidation. Two, macroeconomic stability. We can't talk about macroeconomic stability. One of its ingredients is employment creation.
Yes.
There are no jobs. In fact, you and me, Brother Mlamba, we have a blessing of working, including the journalist who is recording this. We wake up at the blessing of an empty stomach and a jobless existence.
Yes.
So more than 90% of Zimbabweans are unemployed, majority of them being young people. So you can't talk about macroeconomic stability.
Yes.
Number two, public service delivery in this country is on the decline, as you say. So we can't be talking about budget surplus, Brother Mlamba. So Mutuli Ncube has created fictitious numbers to please the IMF, to please the Bretton Woods institutions.
Yes.
That is, there is stability in the economy.
Yes, an
that is, there is
ideological
domestic
contradiction.
confidence.
Yes.
Zimbabweans, if there was confidence, Brother Mlamba,
Yes.
me and you would have devoted our little dollars in brick and mortar buildings called the bank.
Yes.
But Zimbabweans trust their mattresses than they trust the bank. So
Yes.
we can't be talking about domestic trust under Mutuli Ncube and ZANU-PF. So these sharp contradictions in the economy are what I call created fictitious, ruthless growth.
Thank you so
which
much.
is fake in my
Thank you so much. You said you are not an economist, but you are a citizen and a responsible intellectual. What you have done is to provide a characterization of the nature of growth, fellow citizens. Growth can be ruthless, as Comrade Dostalos has said. Growth can be ruthless. It cannot have roots. Growth can be futureless. Growth can be jobless, and it is clear